Hello and welcome. My name is Kent Rohr. I'm the sales engineer for maxAI. In this video, we're covering the maxAI 430 PC tool. The settings should be complete before you move on to setup. And in this video, we're covering just the configure display, splash screen, and icon screen. To show you what version we're using today, I'll go to the top left file, help, about, using build version for the PC tool 2.3.1.2. firmware 2006, bootloader 1000. You may have different firmware or bootloader. Your tool will tell you if it's still compatible with the current build version or if you need to upgrade. And if so, to upgrade, you go to your cluster configuration and you'll have a .srec firmware update file that you can get from us. So we're in the configure display splash. This is where you can add a boot splash image. So immediately when the maxAI is powered on, it can show an image or logo of your company. So here it's showing maxAI, but you can change this to your kind of image, whether it's the logo or something about your product or anything relative to the platform that you're utilizing this product for. Now this is running on an RTOS system, a real-time operating system. So the Max 430 and the 280 all running on this RTOS system means extremely fast. You're not going to have a delay in a few seconds as far as booting up the unit. So you don't even need a splash screen or a boot logo if you do not want to. If you just want to throw it on for a second just to show the branding of your product, then you could do so. You can turn it all the way up to 10 seconds. This whole delay is only for your preference of what you want to delay in showing this splash boot up screen before you actually go to your main UI screen one. To add a splash screen, you're going to hit load. You're going to find your image. It needs to be 480 by 272 in multiple formats. So you can be in BMP, JPEG, a TIFF, a PNG type file. So I'm going to select it. I'm going to hit open. Give it a second. And there's the image. I'm going to give it a 2-second delay. So it's going to show this for 2 seconds before firing up to the main screen. Now you can apply, meaning it's going to flash to your unit if you're connected immediately, or you can go to cluster configuration and then you can apply your whole configuration of everything you do in here all at one time. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how it applies. When I hit apply, my maxAI 430 goes to a black screen. You have a little window that comes up like this as it's flashing that firmware with the updated boot image. Extremely quick. You hit OK. Now it's telling you the splash is applied. At this point, to be reconnected to the maxAI, you want to power cycle your unit, unplug it from the wall or from your Deutsch connector. So I can plug it back in here. I hit OK. My unit fired up with the new boot image. I'm going to go ahead and connect back up to it. Now we're connected. We've got the new splash screen, and we can move on to adding in other parameters and information in the PC tool. The icon section is very much the same way in the sense that if you want to apply your warning lights that you configured in your settings custom parameter section, then you can go ahead and apply that here. When you go down to your cluster configuration and you flash your whole configuration, it's going to apply this as well. If you don't want some of these warning lights, you would remove those in your settings custom parameters section. That's all for this video today, just covering the configure display, splash, and icon screen. And next videos will be covering the details of the inputs, gauge sources, warning lights, output, and flashing the unit. Thank you.